Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your always functional 2013 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Cab XLT. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 pickup truck in a classic Oxford white. Under the hood, you'll find a 5.0-liter V8 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. On the front there, you have your tow hooks as well as your interior cabin floor liner, plus that Bluetooth connectivity. Match the hard work and passion you bring to your everyday lifestyle. Helping you into your Ford F-150 is your handy remote starter and key fob. That remote starter will definitely come in handy on those cold summer months. On your key fob, you have the unlock, the lock, and the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that reflector on your side mirror for safety. You also do have your chrome running board that runs all the way across to your back passenger so everybody can get in nice and easy. You also do have your keyed lock, which your number lock, which you can set from your inside dashboard. Opening it up now to take a look. Plenty of space and height to hop into your truck. You also do have storage on the side, as well as your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. On the side here, you have your fully automatic headlights. Your interiors are lined completely with that all-weather floor mat to make sure that it's nice and versatile and easy to keep clean. You also do have your soft gray cloth seats all throughout for the ultimate driving experience. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Ford F-150, simply put your foot on the brake with that key in the ignition there. That dashboard's going to light up. As you can see, you have 121,922 kilometers. You also do have your multi-information display. It has the direction with your gauges, and you can control that menu with your steering wheel mounted controls. You can set things like your driver assist with your trailer sway control. You can set your number lock from outside. Over here, you also do have your cruise control, as well as your volume control, your mode changers, your voice command, and your hands-free calling. You have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the side here, you have your tow option, which you can turn on and off. And you also do have your 4x4 option to tackle everything that Alberta has to offer. On top here, you can see that you have your traction control. You also do have your audio system here, equipped with your AM/FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio. You have all your manual controls as well as your number pad. You have your presets and your CD player below. You also do have your manual controls for your audio system, and of course you have your climate control as well, which is equipped with that air conditioning, which is definitely going to come in handy on those hot summer months. Below here, you can see that you have your USB auxiliary input, so you can bring your music wherever you go. You have some nice storage below as well, so that you can charge your media nice and easy. Taking a closer look, you can see that your entire truck's interior is covered with that all-weather floor mat to make sure that your truck works for you. You have your cup holders on the side, as well as plenty of space to store everything that you need in your center console. Now, this seat also flips here so that you can carry everybody in your crew. Over here, you can see you have your glove box with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your truck. Plenty of functional features built right into your Ford F-150, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Ford F-150. Taking a closer look, you do have that back cargo lamp for visibility when you're working back here. You also do have your lock so that you can keep everything nice and safe. You have that chrome detailing on your bumper as well as your license plate lamps. You have your trailer equipment, and below you have your spare tire storage. Opening it up now to take a look. Plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have that handy rugged cargo liner so that you can simply load your truck up and roll it off our lot. You also do have that flex feel and that F-150 chrome badging as we take one more look at the back of your Ford. Taking one final look at your pre-owned 2013 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Cab XLT with its trailer and tow options as well as your box liner. This truck is ready for any challenge ahead. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.